What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget drones in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off today with a little something for all those who have just entered these waters, either as a hobby or with a bigger goal. Introducing Ryze Tech Tello, also known as the best beginner budget drone that can be found on the market in 2021. This mini drone is equally suitable both for children and adults who want to dive into the world of drones. The device is cool and entertaining, and also allows you to program it in a personalized way. The drone is compatible with your smartphone, or you can control it with a remote control. There is also the Tello application, the user interface that can be downloaded for free to your phone. The ease of use is rather high, which was one of the top criteria we had in this category. Although a small device, this fellow offers precise control in flight, delivering a fantastic experience. Its radio frequency control is 2.4 GHz. Also, by simply swiping the screen, you can make the drone perform 8D turns and acrobatics. Pretty cool, right? This drone also provides compatibility with VR goggles, granting you an impressive first-person view of its flight. Taking high-quality photos and videos is not a problem for the onboard camera, equipped with an efficient video sensor. The device also records high-quality videos using easy shots that you can share with friends from your smartphone. Thanks to the electronic image stabilizer, you'll be able to enjoy sharp and high-quality images. And what's important, this drone has an Intel processor that enables professional processing and produces high-quality recordings, easily tacking 720p 30 FPS video transmission without interruption. Additionally, thanks to the protection built into its software and hardware, Ryze Tech Tello offers safe indoor flight. There also are safe takeoff and landing functions, so if you're not very good at piloting drones, as is the case with most newbies, you can make the drone take off or land safely and automatically. Thanks to the onboard positioning system and fault protection system, Ryze Tech Tello pre-visualizes the place where it will land, and if it loses the connection with the control button, the device is automatically lowered so as not to get lost. It should be noted that the remote control is sold separately. Good stuff. If you want to spend the lowest possible amount of money that will still get you a solid product, your choice is the Snaptain S5C, the best ultra-cheap budget drone that can be found on the market in 2021. This fella sports an HD FPV camera, high maintenance, and voice and gesture control, all at a surprisingly low cost. It includes a 7-volt 800 mAh battery and easily transmits images to a mobile device in real time via a free app on your mobile device. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices. You can also control the drone from the app without the need for radio control. Also, this is the perfect drone for those looking to capture aerial videos. Its altitude management system and headless mode make this drone easy to learn to fly. The altitude maintenance system greatly facilitates piloting while keeping the drone still in flight, even if the controls are released. The next cool feature of this drone is that it can be ordered with gestures or words. You can give him orders such as take off, landing, or forwarding, and with a gesture, you can tell this fella to take a photo or record a video. Images can be stored on a mobile device and on a micro SD card. The Snaptain S5C has a radio control with a range of about 260 feet. As we said, it can also be piloted from the application using virtual levers, but both devices can be used. The drone comes with a set of useful propeller protectors and 2 batteries. Next, you can use the radio control to activate automatic takeoff and landing or automatic return home. The device comes in elegant black and has the size of 13.9 by 9.7 by 3.3 inches, while the weight is 1.55 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we have selected the Holy Stone HS510 for you, the best value budget drone that can be found in the market in 2021. This item boasts an outstanding 4K resolution, using every single pixel to the maximum to deliver crystal clear and clean, high-quality photographs. The Holy Stone HS510 delivers as much as 16 frames per second at 4K resolution, as well as 25 frames per second with a resolution of 2.7K. If you need a practical drone for travel, this guy is perfect because it is ultra light and very easy to carry. Also, thanks to the compact design, The propeller blades and quadcopter arms can be assembled very efficiently and without any problems in just a few seconds. Another advantage offered by this small drone is that the user will not have to register it with the government, given that its size is 11.61 by 8.43 by 3.66 inches and weighs only 2.79 pounds. There are also countless apps to achieve as much fun as possible, so with the help of Point of Interest, GPS Follow Me, TapFly, and others, the Holy Stone HS510 is able to capture very stable aerial shots. To make your travels as comfortable as possible, this budget drone comes with a special bag in which you'll store it during the trip. Also, there are navigation systems, GPS and GLONASS that will allow you dual satellite connectivity. This way, users will be sure they will not lose connectivity whenever they are outdoors. Additionally, the Holy Stone HS510 also comes with barometers and flow positioning. These allow you to use innovative and more accurate landing technology, as well as the feature for a safe return home. Another cool item that needs to be mentioned is the brushless engine, which is much longer lasting and quieter than the brushed engine and provides maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Holy Stone HS510 comes in matte gray. The package also includes a 2.4 GHz transmitter, Type-C charging cable, 2 Li-ion modular batteries, 4 spare propellers, carrying case, charger hub, screwdriver, as well as a set of instructions for use. In the listed price range, you can't beat this one. The next product on our list for today is DJI Spark, also known as the best enthusiast budget drone that can be found in the market in 2021. Along with the compact size, the highlight of this device is the new movement control, a feature that gives greater independence so you don't need an app installed on a smartphone or remote control. The DJI Spark attracts a lot of attention due to its small dimensions of 9.8 by 3 by 8.2 inches. It also weighs only 1.1 pounds, which makes it very practical and easy to transport. It is a rather well-built product, made of materials that make it feel strong and robust despite the low weight. On the backside, you'll find access to the charging connector and the micro SD card slot. When the weather is good, flying DJI Spark is a super fun experience. It is capable of reaching up to 30 miles per hour. Also, there are various collision protection systems that include and work very well. Detection is quick and helps a lot so that the drone does not crash if we're beginners. In any case, if you are a beginner, activating the tripod helps in the first flight. This mode is designed to get better images due to the reduced speed it offers and less sensitivity during sudden movements with remote control. As for beginners, this allows for more control. As for the camera, it uses a 12 megapixel sensor and can record quality video at 1080p and 30 frames per second. Note that a 4K video option is not included. This isn't a major problem, but would still be a nice addition. As for the image quality, we must say it is quite solid in terms of dynamic range, sharpness, and color fidelity. The results are quite interesting, and all fans of video or aerial photography are bound to love it. DJI Spark is an attractive product for all types of users. Flying with it is fun. Its possibilities are numerous. Thumbs up. Finally, we reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall budget drone that can be found on the market in 2021. And the winner is DJI Mini 2. The new Mini 2 is the successor to the original DJI Mavic Mini, where the main differences are related to improvements in flight ability and more powerful engines. It also improves image quality and live data transmission, so the connection is more reliable. The device is more aimed at beginners than at experienced drone pilots. Its size and price also emphasize that. Therefore, it has simplified controls and flight modes that help the user. What is also quite interesting here are the sensors and functions implemented in the drone, where GPS allows you to more accurately track where the device is. On the other hand, it also has an upper, lower, and side proximity sensor, so that the drone automatically avoids collisions with objects. Also, functions such as geofencing have been added so that the drone does not enter forbidden areas. The device has one 12 megapixel camera that can capture videos up to 4K, limited to 30 frames per second. It has a 3-axis stabilizer, and it is possible to save photos in addition to JPEG and RAW format. As is often the case with DJI drones, internal software allows for different pre-programmed shooting modes. Quick shots automatically perform different drone movements while shooting the target. For example, it is possible to make spirals, orbit an object, or make a boomerang-like path, among other functions. The drone can also capture 180-degree panoramas, spheres made of 25 common photos, or merged wide-angle images. HDR function is also included in the mix. The DJI Mini 2 comes in gray and has the size of 5.71 by 5.51 by 7.36 inches, while the weight is 2.05 pounds. This fella delivers high quality at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.